Hey everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back to CryptoPark channel. I'm really excited to share something new and interesting with you today. We're going to talk about the Browser Cash Airdrop, which is a great chance to earn free crypto coins just by using a simple browser extension. But before we get into the details, if you're new here, make sure to join my Telegram channel where I regularly post about crypto airdrops and other crypto opportunities. Also, don't forget to check out my website, cryptoparkyt. Now, let's get started. So what exactly is Browser Cash? It's a browser extension that supports AI agents and helps power decentralized applications. You can think of it as a node or a DePin browser extension. When you install and use this extension, you start earning points automatically. These points can later be used to claim rewards from the Browser Cash Airdrop. To begin, just click the link in the description, install the extension, and create a new account with your email. If you use my referral code during sign-up, you will receive an extra 10,000 points to get started. Keep the extension running to earn more points over time. The more points you collect, the bigger your reward will be. You can also invite your friends to join and earn additional points through referrals. I hope you found this video helpful and exciting. That's all for today. Don't forget to follow me on Telegram for more updates and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care and bye for now.